कुर्ता वचोन मागीर ते सरपंच म्हणटाली ते भायल्यान वयता म्हणून
कंप्लेन केला ते टॉयलेट डायरेक्टरा दिला सगळ्यांक
You collected the cup. You collect the cup. Madam is just correct that they are collecting the cup. Yeah.
and that dinghy also to remove where to
And then you do all your business outside.
No, they are having everything.
I think as a village panchayat, you should also check that.
So that twice a week is always here to see for the social activities. But on this they realized the workers are coming with donations. Around 3 of them on the day of arrival itself they had donations.
Okay, so you are saying that this is something that has been brought here.
Along with that, sir, there are others who are getting it after staying over here, so usually after around 8 days or so after their arrival. So the main thing that they need to do is sanitation measures like hand washing with soap. They need to use the toilet, that is very important, and drink boiled water. The main thing is hand washing with soap, because what we realize even when they're in the sea, they go it directly from the dengue, and if they don't use soap, it's getting transmitted from one to another. So main thing is hand washing. The sanitation is very, very important.
And they don't use toilets. They don't still toilets are there. Yeah.
Now new toilets have been
New toilets are there, but septic is not there for that toilet, so I asked the director. So let's see the toilet first.
ॲक्च्युली गमन आयल्या की सरपंच कावेलोसींचन एक ॲप्लिकेशन कंप्लेन दिल्या डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक काय कलेक्टराक दिलं ते म्हाका खबर ना पण तेणें दिल्या ते वाटेन चॅकींग जायना वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इज the health department is the Chinchini PHC which is supposed to do checking on that side, but we are not aware of what has happened. So when deputy collector has said that he will call a meeting to review what has happened, and I've also mentioned that last time CM had come here and made given lots of assurances, and we do not know if those things have happened. So I've said to get those minutes also if there are, and we do a complete review. Also the boat owners associations are in what you call a jetty management committee, which is run by the fisheries department. So they're saying that there was one meeting in Panjim on the 8th of August, just recently. So we have asked to place those minutes, and then also they have had meetings. I think in July and August also they have, the fisheries department with the jetty management committee has had meetings. So we have said place those minutes also, and we will take all of those things and we will have a look, and then Deputy Collector will call a meeting in his office and we'll take up all of those issues there.
The hygiene of the jetty,
Yeah.
the new block, has
Yeah.
always been an issue of
Correct,
concern.
correct.
How do you see the...
You see, at least from what I see, it's like, I need to clean, you need to clean, somebody needs to clean, so it doesn't get cleaned. So there is no a particular person who is given that responsibility. So maybe at this meeting when we meet, that point can be put up and say directions for who needs to do what has to be very clear and followed up, and enforcement from the fisheries will have to take place because they have an office here and they have the staff here, so they can do that. So we will put that forward at the meeting.
सरपंच किती जेटीचेर कितें केलां तुमी आनी कॉलेरा आयला हेजे बद्दल कितें तुमचें
कॉलेरा लास्ट टायम जायते प्रिकॉशन घेयल्ली ती मागीर पयली स्टार्टींग 2 म्हयने हे मेन आमकां प्रॉब्लेम जाता तें स्टार्टींग टॉयलेटां बीन स्टार्टींग फकत ऑगस्ट सप्टेंबर स्टार्टींगूच 2 म्हयने मागीर बोटकार सगळे मानाय बी सगळे बोटीचे वयताय तेदोन तितू प्रॉब्लेम आमकां आसना टॉयलेटान बी फकत स्टार्टींगू मातशें येता तेन्ना तांकां पयलें स्क्रिनींग करूंक पडटाय स्क्रिनींग करून ते 2 म्हयने फिशरीन मातशें एक्शन घेवपा जाय कित्याक आनी स्टाफूय तेमी आनी चडो स्टाफ घालपा पडटा हिंगा तेंगे स्टाफ म्हाका दिसना हितू आसूं हितू स्टाफ आसलो जाल्यार हितू हे मॅच जायना आसलेलें फिशरीन स्टाफ दिवपा पडटलो आनी रिक्रूट करूंक पडटलो
सारकी स्क्रिनींग जायना अशें दिसता तुका
स्क्रिनींग आमगे हेल्थ ती कंटिन्यू आहाय आतां न्हू फकत सिजनाकू म्हण न्हू ती फूल 10 मंथ्स आसताय हिंगा ती आसताय हिंगा
आसता जाल्यार कॉलेरा कसो सांपडटा
कॉलेरा ते घेवन येताय सांजचोय 2 म्हयन्यांत बंद आसलेलें कांयच आवाज आसना स्टार्टींग वचून ते घेवन येताय आसता न्हू ते नाजाल्यार हिंग उदका हुंय कितें प्रॉब्लेम आसतलें नाजाल्यार तेशें करून जावपाना कित्याक हिंग येयले म्हणटरी स्टार्ट जालां तांकां पोतून म्हणटरी हिंग खंयचें प्रॉब्लेम इद उदका प्रॉब्लेम जाता कित्याक बोटींकूय उदक आसता ना म्हणून ते टँकरा उदक हाडटाय
Sarpanch, you said about open defecation.
या
What issue is it?
ओपन डेफिकेशन ते तेंगे टायमींग न्हू 6 o'clock 6:30 ते हिंग बोटीचे एक्चुली वदोद ढिंगीचेर उदकांकूय ओपन डेफिकेट कोताय ते वदोद शेतान वयताय थिंगाय वयताय ते मान्या न्हू तूं कितलें तेंक गायड कर ते तूं टॉयलेटान ते कॅशा तूं कितले पयशे दिता म्हळ्यार लेगून ते टॉयलेटान वचपा न्हय कित्याक तेंक आमगे बोट ओनर्स न्हू तेंक दाखयताय सांगताय तेंक खबर आहा म्हळ्यार ते वचनाय आनी बोट ओनर्स रातभर तेंचे बरें रावपा न्हय न्हू तेम एक्चुली जाण म्हणटरी ते टॉयलेटान वचपा जाय मागीर वचनाय ते लोकांक त्रास जाता हिंगा ओपन डेफिकेशन
कितें कंप्लेन कितें जाला
कंप्लेन घायलां ते सॉर्पियोन थिंग सारके एक पाट ओपन आसता एक पाट मागीर थिंग सगळे आख्खे थिंग सेंटर्स कोताय म्हणटाय तेंक पासार जावपा मेळना जुंय
आमकां गोवा कॅनाडाच्यान एक एप्लिकेशन रिसीव जाल्ली रिप्रेजेंटेशन रिगार्डींग वेक्टर मोड डिसीजीस कॉलेरा एंड ऑल त्या खातीर आमी आयज इन्स्पेक्शन फिक्स केलें अलॉंग विथ ऑल द लँड डिपार्टमेंट सरपंच फिशरी डिपार्टमेंट मामलेदार आनी आमी डिसायड केलें की एक रिव्यू मिटींग जी लास्ट मिटिंगेचे जी मिनिट्स ड्रॉन जाल्ले ते आमी रिव्यू करतले नेक्स्ट मिटिंगेन कलेक्टर ऑफिसार
आज किती अशें पयले तुमी हांगा सायड इन्स्पेक्शन
आतां सद्या आमी फक्त डिस्कशन केलें टॉयलेट्स ज्यो इन्स्टॉल केले लास्ट टायम त्यो फंक्शनल आसा त्यो चेक केले नवीन जेटी आनी मुखाल्ले कितें इन्स्ट्रक्शन आसा ते आमी इशू करतले
पण टॉयलेट यूज करना म्हणून अशें आयकलां हेजेर
आतां म्हाका कळ्ळें की ते सेप्टीक टँक बरोबर ना म्हणून पूण डायरेक्शन दिता हांव तांकां सो कोण कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंट आसा ते कित्या बेगीन ते करून पळयतले
ते वॉटर लॉगींग बी सारकें आहा तेंगेले सगळें वॉटर
आसा तेंची कितें तरी आसा हें आसा लॅकनेस आसा हांव करता डायरेक्शन दिता कलेक्टर कडेन उलोवन
The STP was supposed to come along with the 50 block toilet.
I will check and I will let you know. Huh?
It's under process.
Under process.
The site. It's under process. And we are going
How many cases have been confirmed so far?
तेंच्यांनी ऑलमोस्ट 200 केसीस हे केल्ल्यो स्क्रिनींग केल्ल्यो तेरा किती 1600 केसीस डिटेक्ट हे केल्ल्यो स्क्रिनींग केल्ल्यो ओन्ली हार्डली 15 केसीस डिटेक्ट जाले 13 have been detected so far.
ओके सर
Anything on the other side of the Mobot side? Any cases have come too much?
Sorry?
Mobot side, Mobot
ना
fisheries?
ना काय ना
सर मोबर सायड चॅकिंग जायना थंय एक जेटी हें जालां आनी प्रायवेट जेटी
जी मिनिट जाले तितून हांव ते रिव्यू करता तितून कळटलें कितें आसा तें नाजाल्यार कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंट कोण आसा तेणी क्वेश्चन रेज केला क्वेरी जाल्यार हांव त्यो फायंड आउट करून हांव डिसायड करता
पण हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट बी थंय वचून बी चॅक बी केला अशें
एक आसा तेंचे चालू आसा प्लॅनिंग ऑलमोस्ट डेली तेंची स्क्रिनींग चालू आसा
थंय कांय केसीस ना त्या सायडीन मोबायल
मेनली म्हाका ह्याच एरियेन मेळ्ळ्यातले डिटेक्ट जाल्यार 13 केसीस
ओके
No, no, you're speaking.
सर तुमचें नांव कितें
लक्ष्मीकांत देसाई
वी हॅव वॉटर पंप आसा हांगा आनी आमी रेगुलरली इवनिंग आनी मॉर्निंग फ्लशिंग करता ऑफ द ऑक्सिजन शेड आनी द जेटी आनी प्लस आमचे रेगुलर क्लिनिनस ड्रायव्ह आसता अलॉंग वीथ द हेल्थ ऑफिशियल्स वीथ द सरपंच
पण उदक साठून उरता तेजेर कितें करता तुमी
तेजेर आमी फ्लशिंग करतात उदक पंपान
डेली फ्लशिंग करता
एक्शन कितें घेतलें तेला आतां तुमचो डेडलायन काबार जाता न्हू तो 15 ऑगस्ट फायल्यान डेडलायन काबार जाता फॉर क्लियरिंग ऑफ
मागीर आमी ते इंडिविज्युअल ओनराक मागीर आमी नोटीस इशू करतले आनी आमचे कितें एक्शन आसा ते आमी डिपार्टमेंट घेतले.
Because in the thing what I pasted, you said a direct action will be taken without any further explanation.
Yes, yes, but now what has happened, we have pasted on all the dinghies, so some boats are not identified, so that we will see what we have to do. But we will give the directions to the district and we will find them. So that penalty fine we will put for it.
What are the penalty like?
1 lakh. 1 lakh if they don't remove within 13 days. So that fine will be good for approval, and actually it's approved. Administrative approval is taken for that. But if within 30 days if they don't, then we will be fining them. Imposing the fine.
जी प्रायवेट जेटी आहा तेजेर कितें एक्शन जाता तुमची फिशरीचो प्रायवेट जेटी आहा
Yeah.
कितें एक्शन एनी एक्शन
थंय
दिया
सुद्दां आमचे थंय सुद्दां स्क्रिनींग बी चालू आसा प्रायवेट जेटीचेर मोगोराचेर थंय सुद्दां फिशींग पास बीन इशू करतात आमी फिश कॅचेटर थंय सुद्दां चालू आसा.
दॅट इज अलाउड प्रायवेट जेटी
वी हॅव गिवन एनओसी फॉर प्रायवेट जेटीज. सो ते थंय सुद्दां हांगा कितें जाता तें थंय आमी करता.
तुमचें नांव कितें
सुनीता कांस्टे.
From the 25th of August, we have had a team over here who is screening. I have a doctor and other my field staff. In fact, they're taking the proper history. So we have got few patients on arrival only, they've come with diarrhea. So till now we have tested I think 1,655 till yesterday. These many crew members have been tested, and around 13 cases of diarrhea have been detected, and treatment is being given then and there. If we had only one who was mildly dehydrated, who was sent to PHC Bali, but soon he was also fine. But till now, and what we are instructing the boat owners is to keep them under isolation. That is most important, to isolate them. Okay, and once they are fine, only then they can join back. And the treatment is being given to them in here itself.
नाउ इज जेटी इज क्लीन
Pardon?
जेटी इज क्लीन हियर
See, for us, the sanitation part, there are two parts. Regarding the sanitation part, it's a toilet and they should be using soap. So we've given clear instructions to the boat owners. Please tell your crew members to use soap for hand washing. Okay, before, after using the toilet, before eating any food, and bring boiled water, because everybody has gone through it last year, so they know what instructions are there. But it needs to be followed. That is most important.
Doctor, you said about the hygiene on the boats is a major concern. How do
See,
you
over there, the only thing we can tackle is by proper hand washing and then drinking boiled water. Because with the facilities that they have, I think this is the only thing that we can advise.
just coming back to what was discussed last year about retrofitting of toilets in the
That I think we'll have to discuss with fisheries.
because anything from the health side have you all given
We
any
cannot give because the fisheries, I think they have their comments on that, how they're going to get it done. Besides that, we do not have anything to say.
योर नेम डॉक्टर
Dr. Benedicta Dias.